Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. It's your boy Jamie, aka Cut the Rope, bringing it to you from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to each and every one of you. It's an honor to be here before each and every one of you, all the way from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Guys, I'm telling you, on behalf of Dr. Greg McLeod of Elite Traders University, we are here and we're about to go ahead down like Boogie Down Production. All right, BDP, baby. But before we get started, I want to go ahead and bring your attention on your screen. Here is our risk disclaimer. Our goal is to make sure that you are protected and Elite Traders University is protected. Futures, options, and currency trading all have large potential rewards, but they also have large potential risks. And you must be aware of those risks and willing to accept them in order to invest in the markets. All right. Please understand that past performance is not indicative to future profits. All right. So, guys, we wanted to go ahead and make sure that you understand what we're going to be talking about, what we're going to be dealing with, and there's risk involved. All right. Always risk in anything that we do. All right. So, we're going to be actually talking about trading in the foreign exchange market. So, let's go ahead and go over here to really quickly to Elite Traders University. All right, we're taking your trading to new heights. That's right, taking your trading to new heights, guys. Dr. Greg McLeod is the owner and senior educator here for Elite Traders University. He's actually been in the industry for approximately 30 years. That's right. He used to work for one of the largest brokerage firms in the world, FXCM, which is still around today. All right. He was a currency analyst there, right? So he would actually analyze certain currencies against each other, all right, to find out what's hot and what's not. Now, the slogan here, as you can see, taking your trading to new heights. See, this platform is for any trader, a trader who just started trading, all right, a new person, someone that's a little mediocre that needs to kind of like change some things for the better. And also for those traders who've actually been in the industry for a while. Always remember the biggest room in the world is the room for improvement. So guys, please understand that, you may have been in this for a little while, but when you deal with a 30-year veteran, whew, that's something right there that you don't really find around, especially on YouTube. Okay, guys. So just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there. I also want to let you know about Dr. Greg McLeod. He's actually wrote a book. All right. We currently have an ebook right now called The Gold Rush Blueprint. That's right. The Gold Rush Blueprint. And here, if you can read there on your screen, from Jonathan, one of thousands of mentees that Dr. Greg McLeod has personally taught and trained here in the foreign exchange market. You can't have a better teacher. Thanks to the methods and tools I learned from Greg, I not only paid for college in full, but even had enough to buy a condo at age 21 and start my own business. So, guys, when you're dealing with somebody, it doesn't matter where you're from. It's not a color thing. It's not about an age thing. It ain't about your demographics or where you're from. And then if you're a male or a female, it's all about these pips. All right. It's all about learning and understanding how the markets work. Now, specifically speaking in reference to the Gold Rush Blueprint, Dr. Greg McLeod actually earlier in 2023 predicted that gold was going to make an all-time new high at the end of 2023. All right. So, guys, please understand that you're getting all of his strategies. You know what I'm saying? A $10,000 strategy, I think is worth more than that, for $5. So, guys, go out there on Amazon and go to book.goldrushblueprint.com. Make the investment. I mean, come on. It's less than a cup of coffee. All right. Instead of spending your money on some things that may not really be in your benefit, I guarantee you that this book would. All right. Now, let's go ahead and talk about one of these great tools that we have, right? Because we're going to get into it today. We're going to get down like Boogie Down Productions. I'll tell you, I like BDP, baby. So that tells you, I'm a 70s baby, okay? All right, I grew up in the 70s and 80s, okay? I know what time it is. All right, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is called the My Market Heat Map. With the My Market Heat Map, it gives you an edge. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it gives you an edge in the market. And when you're looking at it, getting the edge in the market, hey, ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it at all. So I'm gonna give it to you like Dr. Gray gives it. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this real quick. I want to make sure that we're moving with Crisco, and it gives me an opportunity to take a sip of my coffee. All right, good deal. Okay, so I'm gonna give it to you like he gives it to us, right? We're looking at the top two, and we're looking at the bottom two. Top two and bottom two. The top two are green, right? In this situation, at this case, at this time at 8:13 in the morning, here on January 18th, the year of 2024, we got a lot of gray going on, right? But if these were green, like USD CHF, if they were green, we're going to be looking for buys. The down two, if they're red, right, we'll be looking for sales. If it's gray, stay away. If it's yellow, use caution. You may want to go ahead and trade something else, okay? So I'm going to go ahead. This right here is just the Forex majors. You're talking about USD CHF, Aussie dollar against the US dollar, GBP, Great British Pound against the US dollar, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, the Dixie, the Kiwi dollar, all right, New Zealand dollar against the Kiwi dollar, Euro dollar, and the US dollar against the Japanese yen, all right? Now, we're going to go look at right now, since these are the majors, we also want to go look at what? Also want to look at the minors. We also want to look at the exotics, right? So we're going to go ahead and look at all Forex pairs. Now, when we look at all Forex pairs, guys, we're going to be looking to find out really what's popping and dropping, all right? And right now, the top two on all the Forex pairs is AUD CHF and the US dollar against the CHF, all right? So looking at that, those are the top two. The bottom two is CHF JPY and the USD ZAR. All right. I don't really trade exotics much. All right. So I will not be looking at that. And as you guys can see, we're pretty flat across the board. All right. There's really no movement in the market. All right. London session just ended. All right. And we're going to be opening up on New York session here probably within the next 45 minutes. All right. Now, there's two New York sessions out there, guys. There's the New York session that opens up at 9 a.m. All right, that's the stocks and bond market. And then you have the Forex market, the foreign exchange market that opens up at 9:30. All right. So if nothing is out there, one thing I will tell you this, we will not, I say again, we will not be looking for any, we will not force any trades. Okay. We will not force any trades. And I'd like to go ahead and say good morning out there to everybody out there at ETU land and everybody out there in YouTube land. All right, got a little tongue-tied there for a second. All right, and I'm going to bring up AUD CHF. And we're going to try that. That's an off-suited pair. All right. That's an off-suited pair right now. And there we go. All right. I took a little trade early on New Zealand dollar. And actually, New Zealand dollar did go up. All right. It did go up. And it definitely, it definitely hit where I was going to go. All right. And I kind of had a feeling that it was going to do that. I did have a feeling it was going to do that. And boy, did it do it. All right. So the analysis was accurate. I just got in a little bit too soon. I dropped down for about another 11, 12 pips, 11.4 pips, and then it ran up as I had predicted. All right. So if you guys had stuck with that trade, you definitely made some good change on that. As a matter of fact, it surpassed its previous high, and that was approximately that was approximately let's say here that was approximately about 13 excuse me, yeah, No, that's actually 42 pips, 42.8 pips from that entry. All right. Looking for this thing to go ahead and come down. All right. Have a nice head and shoulders pattern showing right here, right now. And I kind of will annotate that for you here real quickly. There's the left shoulder, here's your right shoulder, and there's your head, if you're into that type of thing. All right. Now, what I will tell you is that Dr. Greg McLeod uh, has a very, very unique system when it comes to trading. All right. What I like to call high intense scalping, because it's truly high intense. All right. Where I've seen this gentleman take a very, very small account. All right. I'm talking about, 30, 40 bucks and literally flip it, to over $200 to $300 within a few hours. All right. I've actually seen him take $1,000 account and flip that thing over, to five, five digits in a couple of hours. So with his training, he has a three-step process, if you will, uh, to put you in a position of power to actually turn the foreign exchange markets into your own personal ATM machine. All right. So and with this unique process and this Pip Run process, that we are able to have some predictive indicators, right? To let us know what's really going to happen in the market. I said, well, you can't predict the market. I'm not saying that you can't, and I'm not saying that you can, but what I am saying, if you really want to put yourself in that position of power and you can literally do some great things in the foreign exchange market, I will tell you this right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen, you definitely need to be part of Elite Traders University. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take a look, see. I believe that was what, Aussie US dollar? Aussie chef, I think it was. Hold on. Yeah, Aussie chef, odd chef. Yeah, we can look at that. I don't think I even have that here. I don't have USD CHF, but we can always add it. We can always add it. AUD CHF. All right. And yes, I do. I did put in a couple more positions on the NAS. So let me go ahead and clear this out. Let me clear this out. Good morning there, Jay Boogie. Good morning, Ken. How you guys doing out there in ETU land? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to delete the drawings. All right, good deal. All right. So I'm going to do a quick analysis here real quick, guys. Just give me the opportunity to do so. All right, good deal, good deal, good deal, good deal, good deal, good deal, good deal. Let me kind of go up here to the daily right quick. Do a little cheat. Cheat just get on over here. There, buckaroo. All right. Yeah, the market has truly, 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 truly been on a significant downtrend with the Aussie. All right. Uh-oh. What happened? Ah, there we go. There we go. Here we go. There we go. Aussie dollars definitely been running. I mean, like literally running. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull a fib on this. See where we're working at percentage wise. There we go. Price is definitely down below, this the 75%. But I definitely want to kind of open things up a tad bit. I'm kind of curious about what happened here because it's definitely respecting this price area. It's definitely respecting this price area of 0.55944. So let's go ahead and round that up to 0.56. All right. 0.56. All right. It's definitely respecting that area. And I want to be nosy and find out why. There's always a why. All right. There we go. All right. Okay. Bring that over a little bit. Interesting. Okay. Let's bring this over here. And delete that line right there. All right. Perfect. 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 Yeah, I can definitely see that happening. Definitely, 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 definitely see that happening. All right. Overall, I would definitely like to see Price come back and take out this old company. There we go. News in 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, let's go check out the news real quick. Appreciate that, Jay Buggy. I didn't go over the news. How dare I? All right. Also, with the my market heat map, it also gives you the economic calendar, Forex TV, live streams, building permits is going to be coming into play. All right, so let me go to economic calendar. Okay, where is it at? Come on. All right. Let's go to the 18th, Thursday. All right. All right. Yeah. The main thing they're going to be looking at is initial job claims. All right. I'm not saying because Orange Folder can move the news. All right. I've definitely seen Orange Folder move the news. But the big Bahama Mama, if you will, is the initial job claims. All right. That's people who are going on unemployment. And previously at 202,000. We've seen a slight increase to about 207,000. All right. So that's something to think about. All right. Something to look at. And I think that's going to definitely move. Plus the Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index, building permits, housing starts. That's the housing market right there. So, let's go take a look see at the Dixie. All right, the Dixie has been, let me close this up. There we go. The Dixie has definitely been on a real bullish run. All right, really, really bullish run. All right, she came down a little bit here. right. And if you're paying attention, to specific uh, you know, certain formations, got a head and shoulders right there for that reversal to go back up. I would like to see price actually come back up to this previous high here. All right. And this is just off the 30-minute. All right. I'm going to kind of go a little bit higher. Clear this off here. All right. Kind of go up here. I want to go to the 4-hour. So we're definitely bullish right now. And I think that's another reason why NCD USD is dropping very, 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 very aggressively right now. Very aggressive right now. Very, very, very aggressive right now. Bring that over here. We got about 2 minutes before news comes out. I'm not going to trade the news today. I'm not going to trade the news today. Not going to trade the news today. Yeah, we're definitely very, very aggressive here on that. Let's go back here to the Dixie. All right. So, yeah, definitely looking for price. And I said price was going to come down a little bit further. All right. And then we were going to be looking for a push up. But as you can see, she kind of ran up a little bit taller than I expected. But she did respect this price point area here at 103 spot 295. Just go ahead and round that up to 103 spot 300. She did respect that. All right. We definitely had a little bit of price action right here. All right. We'll go ahead down here to the 30-minute where you can kind of see a little bit. And that right there, that price action was that inverted head and shoulders, right? So definitely would like to see this push up and surpass that way we can get us a nice higher high. All right, go ahead and push up there. Looking left, we still have a lot. All right, we still have a lot of ground to move. All right, definitely have a lot of ground to move on. All right, this was actually predicted that price was going to, the US dollar was going to be pushing up. And I'm gonna be honest with you, right? This is real nice. This is real nice. Bring this over here. Yeah, back in December. Yeah, that was a nice move. All right, and news is out. US dollar definitely pushed up. Seemed like it was good for the US dollar. Okay, let's get the actual numbers. Let's get the actual numbers. Just refresh my screen. All right, kind of bring it down as fast as possible. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? There we go. All right. I didn't come out yet. You guys seen anything on your feed, Ken? Jay Boogie? No. There we go. Oh, no, wrong one. There we go. All right. Actually, whoa, ching, ching, ching-a-ling. US dollar was super strong. All right. Actually, the actual numbers was 187,000. That's right, 187,000 as to the proposed 207. Okay, so that's good for unemployment. Unemployment is down. All right. And the continuing jobless claims, 18,000 here. Excuse me. Yes, 186,000. All right. As opposed to what they were predicting at 18.45. Previous was at 18.34. All right. And now if we're looking at building permits, that's actually up. All right. So the US dollar is strong, guys. US dollar is strong. US dollar is strong. Listen, we're a green all the way. Green all the way. And that's just telling you that's why we had that little spark up, if you will. That nice little spark, that nice little move up a little bit, pushing price up. All right. So we are definitely bullish. We are definitely bullish on the US dollar for the Dixie. Let's go ahead and kind of look at my babysitting trade. And you know what? Look how price came down. And look where it did. Hey, Ken, look at this, man. Look how price came back to entry, hit my TP, and didn't even put me out. Now, you know that's dirty, right? You know that's dirty. You know that's dirty. All right. That
I
is
sat on
real.
the sidelines too.
That's why I stayed. That's why like you just said, stayed on the sidelines. I'm not gonna push anything today. All right. Right here, this is the NAS. All right. I'm going to be very frank and transparent with you guys. I am looking for the NAS 100 to dump. All right. I am looking for the NAS 100 to dump. As you guys can see, you know, I have definitely been playing with this NAS and caught this move here back about a week ago. All right. And it's been catching. I'm going to plan on doing some more catching. All right. So I'm just going to just put it out there, guys. I am definitely looking for the NAS to dump. All right. I am looking for the NAS to dump. All right. So she did come back. She did come back in there. I put on some more trades. I'm going to keep laying trades down every time she comes back up into this area of 16,904. All right, 16,904. So just say 16,900. Anywhere in that area, I'm going to be laying down more and more trades for the sale. All right. Now, where am I looking at price to go to? I'm going to be very, very transparent with you guys. I'm looking for price to come back down here. All right. And I'm going to kind of show you where I'm looking at. Again, this is just my analysis. I like to see price come back down to at least 16,548. All right. 16,548, 16,517 within that area. All right. Within that zone. Okay. So we could go further. All right. But right now, you know, we got a nice little push up right here, but I'm not really stressing that at this present time. I'm definitely looking the price not to take out its previous high. I'm looking for it to continue down. All right. Definitely looking for this, and I'll kind of draw it up for you a little bit. All right. So came up here, came here, we came here, we came here. Looking for prices to come back up, clear this out just a tad bit, and then we're going to be looking for stuff like this, right? We could come back down and reach this old high here. I mean, excuse me, old low here. But long term, I'm definitely looking for price to continuously to come down. All right. Continue just a nice slow drop. All right. Won't see anything aggressive. Okay. So that is my outlook on the NAS 100. All right. Okay. So let's go back to my bestest friend in the world here, NZD USD. All right. I know the NZD is going to drop. I'm not concerned about it. I definitely shouldn't have took what I did, but hey, you know, we live and learn. We don't dwell on it. All right. Let's go back to the Dixie. Let's go back to the Dixie. Seems that here on a 30-minute time frame, we got a Darth Maul, if you will, Darth Maul type candle here. And 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. right, here we go. All right, now we get a nice push up. Get a nice push up. So I'm not really concerned, guys. You know, a lot of people have a lot of emotion in this thing we call Forex. And I'm going to kind of give you a little tad bit advice. All right. Don't worry about the emotions. All right. Get rid of it. Get rid of the emotions. Okay. Get rid of the emotions. Okay. Seriously, get rid of the emotions because that's what's going to really destroy you in this market. It really is. Okay. It's really going to destroy you. It's going to hurt you in more ways than one. All right. You have to separate yourselves from the game. All right. Don't get your emotions caught up in the game. All right. I'm going to kind of do a fresh draw up here. I'm going to go to the monthly, uh, my markup here. All right. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I like to put price in Facebook jail. That's what I like to do. All right, so real quick, this was a nice move here. This was a nice move. I'm gonna tell you right now, being very transparent with you guys. I don't normally go this in depth, but I'm gonna make a call. If price does break 104 spot 263, be prepared to hold your trades for the US dollar. All right. Be prepared to hold your trades. All right. Be prepared. Okay. Be prepared. All right. Let's go down here to the daily. Oh, yeah. This is absolutely gorgeous. Great head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders here. There's your head. There's your left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Right there. That looks like a little smiley face, right? Some hair. Okay. Put some ears on it. Some earrings. Some earrings. Loops. Loops. Little chin right there. That's the nose. There's the eyeballs. All right. It's pretty cool, huh? You guys didn't think I was an artist. Hey, I think I can go work for Marvel right now. What do you guys think? You guys think I can go work for Marvel? If you guys think that Uncle Cut can go ahead and go work for Marvel, I need y'all to put 555 in the chat. Go ahead, just put it in there. I'm telling you, that right there, guys, is perfect. Yep, that's perfect for Marvel right there. We're gonna call this superhero Goldie. Yeah. We're gonna call her Goldie, right? Stick with Fort. Really, J Boogie? 000. Hey, at least he kept it 100 with me. Is that bad, J Boogie? Is that bad? Ken ain't even saying nothing. Ken just said he's just gonna keep his mouth shut. He just gonna not say a word. Okay. All right. Appreciate that, J Bug. I'm glad you believe in me. I do. Yeah. All right. All right. Well, at least he was honest. Some people out there would have been brutally honest. They'd be like, "Yo, bro, that's trash." I mean, I did kind of draw the eyes real nice, though. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm just go ahead and just delete this out there, right? Okay, so guys, we're looking for price to continuously to go up in the sky like a bird is a plane, like it's Superman or Superwoman. All right. All right. Price is definitely respecting this trend line right here. All right. Definitely respecting that trend line. I was looking for price to come back a little bit, but it didn't. It's still pushing up as projected. All right. So let's see. Let's go to the 4 hour. All right. That was a little pullback right there. Price came down, still pushing forward. I mean, this thing is going to the sky. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to go ahead and pass this area. Pass this area. You know what? I'll put a little tripwire here. I'll put a little tripwire right here at this price point. 104,549, 104 spot 500. 104 spot 500. Okay. I'm gonna put a tripwire right there. 104 550. 550. 550. My apologies. 104 spot 550. We're gonna put a tripwire right there. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put some alerts right there. Let me make an alert. Crossing, horizontal ray. Yes. And here. So, oh, did I put it there? Or did I put it here? Nope, there we go. Do the same thing here. Yes. Deal. All right, so I have alarms set on both. All right, there and here. All right, so I have trip wires at 104 spot 263 and 104 spot 550. All right, 104 spot 550 for the Dixie. We are very, very, very bullish on the Dixie. I still think we're going to get a little bit more of a pullback. I'm just kind of feeling that in my na, if you will. Something like this, all right? I want to see something like this happen. So let's go here. Something like this. Okay, something like this. Yeah, something like this to kind of pop off. Something like that. All right. Yeah, something like that. All right, we get something like this to come down. All right. And then boom, we'll get this this push up right here. All right. So something like that. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, guys. I'm looking for something like that. All right. Something like that. Okay. All right. So Cut's making that call. All right. I'm making that call. Let me kind of dress this up a little bit. Right about there we go. Something like this. Okay, guys. Looking for something like this. Okay. All right. You guys can take a screenshot of that. All right. You can take a screenshot of that. But that's what I'm basically looking for. All right. For us to have a move up like that. All right. Okay. So that's what we're looking at on the Dixie. I'll be very honest with you guys. I don't see much really happening like today. All right. All right. Really, I'm just really don't, guys. I'm not seeing just that was the only news I was really looking at, and that I look forward to due to the fact is that I was in a trade for a sale. So, and then I'm holding these trades with NAS. And as you see, we're back in profit again with the NAS. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and bring that back up for you guys so you guys can see it. All right. Now, this is very interesting, and I wish I would have stayed on that because I would have put more entries in on the NAS, and I'm gonna actually not just tell you why, I'm gonna show you. All right, I'm gonna show you. I don't think Dr. Greg's gonna find me for showing you something. Hope he doesn't. If he does, then I'm gonna have to charge you guys. I have to charge you. I don't think you guys want me to charge you. Where is it at? I know I saw it. Hold on. Where are you? Come out, wherever you are. Ollie, 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 oxen free. There it is. Okay. So I wish I could make this a little smaller. All right. So what I want you to see, I'm attempting to show you, is this right here. I'm going to attempt to make this as linear as possible. All right. I'm going to attempt to. All right. So you can kind of view it a little bit. Wish this was a little bit. You know what? Let's see if I can do this on TradingView. Let's do this, guys. Let's go to, I think it's the N, where is it at? Yeah. All right. Let's go to the daily. No, let's not go to the daily. Where is my little market watch? I'll get her right here hiding out. There it is. NSX. SX USD. There we go. That's the one I want. All right. So here it is. Perfamundo. All right. I was seeing this right here. This is perfect. You see how this is happening? All right. You see that? All right. See how that's coming down right there? The nice little angle. See, price just cleared that. Price just cleared that. Now, I'm not going to tell you what that is. I'm not going to tell you what that is. All right. I will not tell you. All right. And I cannot tell you. All right. And I won't tell you. All right. You're going to have to join Elite Traders University. That's right. That's right. That's right. You're going to have to check us out and find out the why. All right. You know, step into the twilight zone. I promise you, it won't hurt. It will empower you tremendously. All right. But as you can see, as you guys can see here, we took that out. All right. We took that out. All right. And I'm glad that actually happened. I really, really am. Let's look at this on the weekly. All right. Ah, it's a thing of beauty. A thing of beauty. Yes. I'm going to show you how it looks like on the monthly. All right. A thing of beauty. A thing of beauty. All right. So if this is accurate, ladies and gentlemen, I believe. Oh, wait. Is this accurate? I believe it is. That last month, we made an all-time new high. You know what? I am going to mark that area. Mark this area right there. There we go. I'm going to mark that area right there at 169.70. 169.70. Interesting. Ah. All right. Yeah, this is going to be an awesome year. This is going to be an awesome year. This is going to be an awesome year. Awesome, awesome, awesome year. All right. Awesome, awesome, awesome year. Look at that. That is just absolutely beautiful. That is breathtaking. All right, guys. So I'm making that call on the NASDAQ, looking for that to definitely fall. Definitely looking for that to fall. All right. Definitely looking for that to fall. And that's going to be absolutely just gorgeous. All right. So be on the lookout for that. Definitely be on the lookout for that. It could, yeah. Just be on the lookout for it. All right, guys. It's not going to be something very abrupt. It's going to be nice and slow and painful if you're on the wrong side of the trade. All right. Okay, let's go back and babysit my trades here, see where we're at. Ah, I see that NZD USD wanted to run back up again. I tell you, it's just playing a little cat and mouse, but that's okay. Let her play her cat and mouse game. I'm good to go with it. I'm used to it because see, we have patience over here, right? All right. All right. So to the Elite Traders universe, you guys want me to kind of go over something real quick or look at something real quick? Because the market is pretty blah today. The market's real blah today. Very, very, very blah. Euro NZD? Sure, I can go ahead and look at Euro NZD. Let me go ahead and just look. Ah, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do this. Yeah, see, guys, we're just real blah, we're just blah right now. We're just really blah. Okay? It's really, 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 really blah. Because you guys know I love looking at the majors. Just really, really just blah today. All right. So Euro NZD. Okay, let's look at the Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Euro NZD. We're talking about the Euro Kiwi. That's right. We're going to go ahead like dynamite. We're still pushing up on the euro. Still pushing up on the euro. Still pushing up on the euro. We've been pushing up on that euro for a minute. Yes, definitely. Definitely. Go ahead and turn off my magnet here real quick. Turn off my magnet. There we go. Yep, she has definitely been pushing up. I'm gonna go ahead. You know what? Let's do a quick, just do a real quick top-down analysis. Let me, take this thing all the way to the head shed. Well, we had I see here, we really did have a real, wow. I mean, we had some serious consolidation going on here. Ooh, since August. And then we had consolidation here. I mean, if you really look at it, we really look at this guy. This thing's really been kind of like up, down, up, down, up, down here for a while. Talking about May. Then it broke out and came right back down. Broke out, came back down. And then it's coming. Yeah, this is. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so it's been like this for since May. All right, interesting range. Yeah, let's look at that. That's an interesting range. So let's do it like this. It's kind of, yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. Let's measure that. So you're talking about 1,300 pip range. 1,300 pip range. Let's go ahead and remove that. 1,300 pip range. All right. Now, when I was with a previous company a few years ago, they would, and I can say it, it's nothing against the individual that shared this concept, but they actually called this a teacup. And I actually called this a teacup. So, like, here's the cup, all right? Here's the cup, and here's the handle, all right? There's the little handle right there, okay? And then, when you get it, it's supposed to pour out, all right? Back down to the previous low, all right? I'm not saying that didn't work, but It didn't work for me. It just didn't work for me. All right. But I thought I just kind of just saw it. It's interesting how it just popped out at me, right? No taking any punches at anybody, all right? I don't know nobody saying, hey, Kut's talking about you on the download, man. No, I'm not. I'm just saying it didn't work for me. Now, it did work for others, and it worked for that individual, but just interesting how I see that teacup, you know, or maybe you can do it here, all right? Hold on, let's see. Yeah, like right here. Wait a minute, hold on, there we go. Yeah. This is where you put your finger, all right? And there's the cup portion of that there. Just pour it out. All right. Yeah. Kind of something like that. All right. Yeah. There's the cup. And then there's a little steam coming out. Like Folgers in your cup. Jay Boogie, what you think?
You got it.
I
Can you hear me?
uh,
That's better drawing than the other one.
then Goldie.
Right,
Oh
then Goldie.
man. Hey, see, I told you, man. I'm telling you, just get back up on it, try again, right? All right.
Right.
Can't get mad at that. All right. All right. Well, I'm looking for this thing to come back up, but I haven't really seen a significant breakout, to be honest. And that's just looking at the monthly. All right. That's just looking at the monthly. So going down here to the weekly. We are in an uptrend overall. All right. I just don't like the consolidation right now. I mean, you know, a 1300 pip consolidation, that's not bad at all. But we could remain bullish. I will say that now that I'm looking at here on higher time frames. And I would like to see, if I was a betting man, I like to see these relatively highs taken out at probably, you know, I'll make the call one spot 83. All right, one spot 83. Okay, I don't know why my mail is popping up for you guys to see all my personal business, but it's okay. Have anything to hide? All right, so I'm looking at one spot 83, but that's a long, long road. You know, you're looking, you know, for another uh you're looking for another 500 pip move. All right. You're looking for another 500 pip move. Let's look at the daily. And this is where I actually got caught at. Somewhere up in here, I believe it was. Yeah. Yeah, I got caught here. Yeah, I got caught there. That's okay. I'm not concerned about it. Not concerned about it at all. Because I was actually trading its counterpart. Price did a great job here and taking out these relatively equal highs. All right. I mean, if you know what that is, you know what that is. All right. And that's some serious money right there. Serious money. Let's go here to the 4 hour. So, yeah, I would like to see price return back here. I'd like to see price come back to this area at one spot 7750 or 77344, somewhere within this zone. I like to see price come back down there. Something like this. Something like no, not like that. I like to see Aiwa, Mafi. In Arabic, Mafi means no. Yeah, I like to see something like this. Okay, to be very transparent with you, I like to see something like this happen. Price come down here to this area, this zone. All right. All right. Something like this. Okay. Something like that. All right. That's what I would like to see happen. Yeah. I'd like to see price do something like that. Okay. And then push up. I would definitely like that. So if price did retrace back, we're looking at about 72, 73 pips. And then we'll look for a possible continuation there. All right. All right. Because there's a lot of money sitting here. There's a lot of money sitting right here. A lot of money sitting right here. And then you have these highs sitting here. So, we could definitely see some nice moves here. It'll be nice and slow. I don't see anything aggressive happening anytime soon. All right. But that's my thoughts on Euro NZD. You guys want to take a picture of that here? I'll go back here to the 4 hour. Kind of take a little picture of that. My analysis of what I think is going to happen with the Euro and ZD. All right. But that's about it. Anything else? Ken? Jay Boogie? Anyone else?
That's good. Thanks.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right, guys. We spent about a good hour here. I normally go to 9:30, but there's nothing really going to be pushing. And we're going to take one more peek. Yeah, I got the NZD, Euro, US dollar. That's dropping right now. I'm currently in NZD, USD right now. And she's still playing around. All right. She's still playing around. I'm going to move this down here a little bit further. But before I do that, I'll put a little line there. There we go. There we go. Hit that previous one. All right, there we go. Let me lock that in. I do use these as markers. All right, guys. I just like to use them as markers. Okay. All right. But this is where we're at right now. My market heat map is just getting fired up. Seems like it woke up, but we're looking for NZD, USD, Euro USD. We can look at Euro USD right now. EUR USD. Drawings. Yeah, this was a nice move here. I actually love this. I wish I would have held it longer. I wish I would have held it longer. Yeah. We could get a little bit of a retracement back, but overall, we're still selling. We're overall bearish on the Euro US dollar. We're definitely. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Yeah. We're definitely uh we're definitely selling this baby right here. Yeah. 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 Nice, respectful trend line there. Yeah. Yeah. Still keep going down. Target overall. Target overall. You know what? I'm going to say this here. All right. 107. No, 107, 500. 107, 500. 107.5. Okay, one spot 07500. All right. That's what I would like us to go for. All right. Could she go further? Yeah, she could. She could. She could. But that's where I would like to see price go at overall. All right. Overall. 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 All right. Definitely like to see price come down to 800 here. Right about here, this area. So that 0. There we go. Definitely like to see price come down there. So, let me delete that one. Didn't want that to come up. So we're looking for another, man, from current price, you're looking at another 59, 60 pips to 109, 110 pips. All right. So 50 to 100 pip move. We're still in effect there on Euro USD. All right. NZD USD, NZD USD. Yeah, same situation. Same situation. Let's go up here to the daily real quick. Yeah. Same. Yeah. Same. It's like I'm looking at twins. Same situation. Like to see price come back. Let's go ahead and knock out these relatively equal lows right here. All right. I just see that happen. And then we get a nice little something like this. All right. A little something like this. All right. And then another break. Then a little something like this. Then another break. And then a little something like this. And then a break. I would definitely like her to come clean this mess up here, down here. I would love to see that happen. All right. So, yeah. I think once we get that little pullback there, because we're definitely due one. We're definitely due a correction right now. It would look great to have that continuously drop, another correction drop. So we can go ahead and clean up this mess down here around 0 spot 59. All right, 0 spot 59. All right, let me go ahead and kind of, there we go. 0 spot 59 would be nice. I would even be happy here at 59.5. Go ahead and put that at 59.5. 59.5. Okay. All right. 59.5. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. So give you guys a couple of goodies for your goodie basket. All right. A couple of goodies for your goodie basket. All right. If there's nothing else out there, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put some food in my belly. I am quite hungry. I'm gonna nurse my arm, my elbow. Lord bless, I'll be getting these stitches taken out of my elbow and work on getting back into that thing we call the gym. All right. That's right. That gym. Got to go ahead and work off some of this weight and get these guns built back up, because I tell you, I miss it and I need to go ahead and get back in it. So on behalf of Dr. Gregory McLeod of Elite Traders University, God loves you. I love you. It ain't nothing you can do about it. This your boy, Uncle Cut. Deuces. Have a great day, everybody.